Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before starting this video guys, join our Telegram group guys for free signal, for free calls guys. The link is available in the video description. Check now and join for free. In this video we are going to talk about Bitcoin next moment, that will be the next moment. Currently guys, if you look here, so from last 24 hours BTC is completely stuck. If we talk about last 24 hours, so 24,400 is the lowest and 24,798 is the highest of last 24 hours. So there is only 300 US dollar momentum and a BTC gas. Now what should we do in right now situation, and what's the possibilities for BTC as it will pump or dump? Let's see guys. So guys, if you look here, the volume 24-hour trading volume 51.77% going looking negative. So this means guys that for a little bit BTC is looking bearish guys. Currently guys, it's completely stuck. Just look here the price chart, and now in this case guys, I recommend we have to wait for the breakdown. So in that case guys, we are waiting for the perfect breakdown, and when it's make a breakdown, so we will do short BTC guys. And I will also give you a signal on my Telegram, so join now for latest calls. Thanks for watching, see you in next week.